Look at this. 0.4 miles away from Subway. It's probably the shortest one I've ever done. So they want me to go. Oh, they want me to hit a U-turn? Yeah, I want me to flip it. If I'd have known that, I would have went out that way and came out this way. It's all good. But yeah, this was 0.4 miles away for Subway. I would have actually walked for this one. Just got done with the pizza order and got this one right away. And this light better turn for me sometime, or I'm just gonna go anyways. Right here? Whoa, it is right here. Dang, they are literally right here. What kind of bike is this? I'm not sure what that was. He was looking at me too. He wanted to know. Alright, yeah, I'm here, guys. Thanks for watching.